Welcome back to another Elishop video. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Guide IR-E2 camera to your PC to manage your recorded files and create a report. We'll walk you through connecting the camera with USB and give an introduction to ThermoTools for more advanced features like live streaming and remote control. Connecting an infrared camera to your PC has many advantages, especially when it comes to managing and analyzing thermal data. It allows for easy review of your data. On your PC, you can take full advantage of generating detailed reports. Overall, connecting your E2 camera to a PC enhances functionality and provides a more professional use. I'll show you a few ways to connect your camera via USB, projection mode and ThermoTools, starting with the simplest option, USB. You can attach the camera with your PC in a very basic way and open the clips with VLC. Make sure the USB mode is in USB mode in the menu of the Guide IR-E2. Connect the camera to your PC using a USB cable. Now, I will show you how that looks like. So here you can now go into camera, go into the internal storage. I'll show you the images first. So what you will see right away is that they're all JPEG files, and you can see here there is an IRE and a visible light mode. So all the photos that you have been taken are made in duplicates. So here, for example, is the infrared photo that you took, and this is the same photo in visible light mode. Now these you can use, you can send a JPEG very easy, but it's missing all of the thermal data. If you want to access the thermal data, you will need ThermoTools, and I will show you that later. Furthermore, I will also show you the videos that you can access this way. So here you will see a lot of files. They are IRGD files. These are a special file. Now VLC is a good program that can open almost everything. So if I just click on one of them here, nice cup of tea, you can see I can open this, but yeah, all the thermal data is gone. With VLC you can also convert them to MP4s. That makes it easier for other video players to open this file, and then you can share it or use it however you want. But there are better ways, and I will show you that later. Next thing I will show is also the projection mode. Now, the second mode of the Guide IR-E2 is projection mode, where the camera functions as a USB video device, allowing for screen projection. Now, it's not the way we recommend it, but I will still show you. You need to know that it doesn't work in the system as a normal webcam. The method that works is installing Pod Player. What you need to do is connect your camera. You need to go to the camera setting again to find where the USB mode is, and need to put it into projection mode. Now, then we go into open Pod Player. Let's make it big. So just right click, open, and then it says here device settings. There, here it's selected the camera. Now if I press open, I can see a live stream from the camera. The projection mode is easy to use and to connect, but there is a better way which offers a higher resolution and faster frame rates, and that's with using ThermoTools. And that will be the next method that I will going to show you. Now the best way to connect the E2 and use it for live stream, copying your files or make an analysis report is with ThermoTools. And I will demonstrate you this also with using the access point mode, which is quite easy. So first thing you need to do is go on your device and put it into the access point mode. Then what you do is you go to your Wi-Fi settings and then you connect to the camera. Now let's open ThermoTools. Okay, the way to connect it is to go to, for example, video. Here you do connect, then access point mode. Okay, now you'll see a live stream right away. Very nice is that you can control it also remotely. So here you have a lot of parameters you can change. You can also take a photo and then also start recording and stop recording here. Change the color palette. Also nice is that you can make a point where you want to measure the exact temperature in. Let's see what the camera is. It's about 20 degrees. So this works really great. Will not demonstrate all the functionalities, but there is a lot of options here. So start recording. You can see that it started, and then you can stop it here. Okay. If you go to File, you can see all your videos and also, for example, here your screenshots. Very nice. So let's open one. Okay, so what is super nice here is that you have still all the data. So the same measuring points I can still put in here. And you can see all the data there. So for example, you want to do a whole area as well over this point. Now you can see the maximum temperature, the minimal temperature and the average temperature. Makes it great for making analysis. You can still even change the temperature range here. So for example, I want to focus only on a specific area here. Now, it can show that. Then here we can put it back to automatic mode, so you can still see the original one. A lot of options here. You can do a lot. All the data is still in the image, and you can change everything still here. Another nice feature that I want to show you is the report function. So what you see here is that nice photo that we just had. It's now going to be here in the report. And here I can add all the information that I want into a template. So this could make it very great, for example, for a building inspection where you want to show multiple rooms, or a whole project where you did multiple measurements and want to create a nice analysis report of all your findings that you did. So for example, I created this page and I want to make this as a template. What I will do is do save as template, and now it's saved. So now I want to have another measuring spot, and I can do it like this, confirm. Then here, let's find another photo that we want to use. We need to do browse. I located all my photos here. So let's find, for example, another thing. So yeah, then I can open it. And you see the same template will be used to show another thing. So with this you can make a full report, and then later you can save it as a PDF or in a Word file that you can still change it. And then you can share this with your colleagues or your client, or however you want to use it to make a full analysis report. Another nice option is picture optimization. What I want to show is super resolution. Let's go to where I saved all my photos. So, for example, we have this image. We drag it in here. Then we're going to use the super resolution times 16, rebuild it. Now it will now create a higher resolution, which is super nice if you want to use these images also in a report. And now you can save it as a JPEG and then also send it. Also very nice is temperature trend. I'll also demonstrate this. This can be very useful for in a report. So what it does is show you the differences in a graph over time in the temperature differences. So I have here two exactly same photos from a cup of tea that I made earlier. Here you can see the time. It's a time difference of 4 minutes. Now I'll generate the trend. You can see that over time in 4 minutes the temperature has decreased in 4 degrees. Of course you can do way more measurements and when you monitor a certain application you can show this data for a full analysis report. So here you can export it. It will export it as a PNG and then you can use it however you want. So very useful function here. ThermoTools is a bit rough around the edges, so keep that in mind. But when you use it in the correct way, you can make a nice analysis report. Now to summarize, we've demonstrated how to connect your Guide IR E2 camera to your PC using USB to manage your files and convert them to MP4 using VLC. You can use ThermoTools with the camera in access point mode for more advanced options like live streaming, remote control and creating an analysis report. ThermoTools is a bit rough around the edges, so keep that in mind. We hope this video helped you understand how to get the most out of your E2 camera by connecting it to your PC. For more information, be sure to visit the Elishop website, where you can find ThermoTools and other useful resources. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.